मैम I'm not able to see it, मैम. अगर रोटेट किया तो.
Okay, 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 no issue.
Let me. I'll try.
Okay, continue.
Yes, ma'am. Um, Purpose of value-based education: pictorial representation of things that are learned through value-based education. Modifications that are needed in our present education system, ma'am. That's it. That is my syntax, ma'am. Let's coming to the introduction of my topic. That's needless to say, our current education system don't stress on importance of valued education. Ma'am, I don't know about that CBSE, ma'am, but our state syllabus state curriculum more focus on regular academics rather than this valued education. Let us discuss why an individual need valued education in order to become a successful person. Value based education lays emphasis on the personality development of individuals in order to shape their future and tackle different situations with ease. It molds the children so that they get attentive to changing scenarios while handling their social, moral, and democratic duties efficiently. Ma'am, is it visible, ma'am?
Yes, visible.
Yes, ma'am. This picture represents that even though the students are academically strong, but they are not strong morally, and that and the valued education needs that. Let us discuss the real meaning of value-based education. Value-based education aims at the training of student to face the outer world with the right attitude and values. It is a process of overall personality development of student. It includes character development, personality development, citizenship development, and spiritual development. Some people think that personality is an inborn character of a child, but it can never be developed or humbled. However, it is not true. Personality development sections and a good school section can bring a radical change in the personality of a child. The very purpose and main function of education is the development of all-round and well-balanced personality of the students, and also to develop all dimensions of the human intellect so that our children can help make our nation more democratic, inclusive, socially responsibly, and culturally rich and intellectually competitive nation. But nowadays, more emphasis is unduly laid on knowledge-based and information-oriented education, which takes care of only the intellectual development of the child. Consequently, the other aspect of the personality development, like physical, emotional, social, and spiritual, are not properly developed in providing the growth of attitudes, habits, values, skills, and interest among the peoples. It is here that we talk in terms of valued education. A complete description of what valued education is could attain a study in itself. There are corroborating findings by the many researchers. After analyzing and studying the descriptions about value education on such researchers, the definition of value education may be started as follows. Here we can conclude the real meaning of valued education. Valued education is mainly sided endeavor in an activity during which young people are assisted by adults or elder people in schools, family schools, clubs, and religious and other organizations to make explicit these underlying their own attitudes to assess the effectiveness of their values of their own and other term well-being, and to reflect on acquire other values which are more effective for long-term well-being. Valued education is thus concerned to make morality a living concept for students, since what is needed is valued education. Despite many educators and educationists' description regarding valued education, it can't be defined that continuing research will continue to making the description of valued education more adequate. Now we can see the objectives of valued education, meaning what is the main aim of valued education. Accordingly, the objectives of valued education may be taken up as follows: full development of child's personality in its physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual aspects, inclusion of good manners and of responsible and cooperative citizenship, developing respect for the dignity of individual and society, inclusion of a spirit of patriotism and national integration, developing a democratic way of thinking and living. Also, we can see here the image of a corrective things of valued education. Hello, ma'am. Is it visible now? Hello.
Yes, visible.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, here network is weak, ma'am. That's why I'm asking. Here we can see identity, critical thinking, cooperation, global vision, and social skills. And these are the main objectives of valued education. Now we will see how value based education helps in attaining life goals. It gives a positive direction to the students to shape their future and even help them to know the purpose of their real life. It teaches them the best way to live that can be beneficial to individuals as well as the people around them. Value education also helps the students to become more and more responsible and sensible. It helps them to understand the perspective of life in a better way and lead a successful life as a responsible citizen. It also helps students to develop a strong relationship with family and friends. Here is a pictorial representation of valued education in school life. Yes, ma'am. Coming to importance of valued education in school life, valued education can play a significant role in shaping their future and helping them find their right purpose in life. Since school paves the foundation for every child learning, adding value based education to school curriculum can help them learn the most important values right from the start of their academic journey. Value education as a discipline in school can be also focused more on learning human values rather than mugging up concepts, formulas, and theories for higher scores. That's usually happen in our curriculum, ma'am. Thus, using storytelling in value education can also help students learn the essentials of human values. Yes, ma'am. Here are the basic objectives of valued education. With the help of valued education, we can learn these things easily. First is responsibility, sincerity, cooperation, respect, scientific temperament, sensitivity, and tolerance. Let us discuss the purpose of valuable education. To ensure a holistic research to child's personality development in terms of physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual aspects, inclusion of a patriotic spirit as well as the values of a good citizen, helping students understand the importance of brotherhood and social, national, and international values, developing good manners and responsibility and cooperativeness, promoting the spirit of courtesy and inquisitiveness towards the orthodox norms. Again, purpose of valuable education, teaching students about how to make sound decisions on the basis of moral principles, promoting a democratic way of thinking and living, imparting students with the significance of tolerance and respect towards different cultures and religious faiths. Activities that are learned through valued education. With the help of valued education, we can also learn these things. That is perseverance, honesty, honor, freedom, confidence, tolerance, care and compulsion, doing our best, inclusion, cooperation, getting along, organization, trustworthiness, responsibility. Now, I'm going to suggest some methods that should be implemented in a private education system. Along with regular academics, schools should also introduce valued education as a subject. Every individual should know the importance of valued education. Valued education should also be introduced as a subject in college level and also higher education level. As we know that education without character is of no worth, and every teacher must ensure that the student know the real meaning of it. Regular campaigns and meetings should be also conducted among students, and teachers must ensure that every individual is participated in that. Vote of thanks. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. I would like to extend my sincere gratitude